Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change section layout in Wix. This is a useful skill when you want to reorganize your website without rebuilding the entire page from scratch. If you want to reorganize your page and move sections into a better order, Wix makes that process very simple. This is especially useful if you're updating the flow of your website, improving the way visitors move through your content, or just testing a different layout to see what looks better. The good news is that you can do it directly from the editor in just a few clicks. For example, you might want to move an important call to action higher on the page, or place testimonials closer to your products or services. To get started, open your website in the editor and go to the page where you want to make changes. Once you're on the correct page, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the editor. In that area, you'll see the Layers icon. Go ahead and click it. Using the Layers panel can be especially helpful on longer pages, where scrolling through every section manually would take more time. After you click the Layers icon, a panel will open, allowing you to view the structure of your page more clearly. This makes it much easier to identify the different sections on your site and work with them in a more organized way. If your page has multiple sections, this view is especially helpful because you can quickly see how everything is arranged. Think of it as a simple overview of your page structure, which makes rearranging content much easier. From here, look to the left side of each section listed in the panel. You'll notice a drag handle icon next to each one. This is what you'll use to change the position of a section. Make sure you've selected the correct section before moving it, especially if several sections have similar names or content. Simply click and hold that drag handle, then drag the section upward or downward to the spot where you want it to appear. As you move it, pay attention to the placement so you can drop it in the exact location that makes the most sense for your page layout. For instance, you may want your introduction near the top, followed by your services, benefits, testimonials, and then a contact or call to action section. This is a quick way to change the order of your content without having to rebuild anything manually. It can save time and help you experiment with different page structures more easily. You can test different arrangements and see which one creates a clearer journey for visitors through your website. Once you release the section in its new position, Wix will update the layout accordingly. That's all you need to do to reposition your sections. After moving it, take a quick look at the page itself to make sure the spacing, content flow, and overall design still look the way you want. If you're adjusting several sections, it can be helpful to move them one at a time and review the page after each change, so everything stays clear and organized. This also helps you make sure the final layout feels natural for visitors. It's also a good idea to preview the page on different screen sizes, so the new order works well for both desktop and mobile visitors. And that's it. That's how to change section layout in Wix by using the Layers panel and dragging sections into a new position. Once you know where this feature is, you can quickly reorganize your pages whenever you want to improve the structure, highlight important content, or test a new layout.